Gulmarg, a small little town in Kashmir, about 2.5 hours from Srinagar. During winters, Gulmarg is covered in a blanket of snow, and boy, did we know we would be here to create a lifetime of memories.
Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. This is the beginning of Kashmir in Winters series. I am right now in Gulmarg. I'm here for 2 days and I'm going to do everything that a tourist does in Gulmarg. So if you are planning to come here in Gulmarg, then keep on watching because I'm going to show you everything. And these 2 days I'm just going to roam around, and as you can see behind me, it's completely snow covered. There is snowfall, and let me tell you one thing, it's the first time I'm seeing a snowfall in real life, and थोड़ा सा excitement हो रहा है, nervousness हो रहा है कि पता नहीं कैसा लगेगा because I am already enjoying this climate. I'm just about to step out, and today we have hired a guide with us. He's going to take us on these ATV rides. After that, we plan to have lunch at a very good place. So stick around, and also tomorrow we are going to have more things. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And also, as and when I do these activities and the sightseeing and everything, I'm going to tell you guys each and every information as much as possible so that when you come here, you won't face any issues at all. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button below and the bell icon next to it, and also give this video a thumbs up. Let's go.
We set out to go around Gulmarg in our ATV rides, and the snowfall sure made it super fun. And also freezing cold. The entire Gulmarg is just 15 to 20 kilometers. So ATV rides is a really good way of sightseeing the whole of Gulmarg and the outskirts in winter. The guide was really helpful and also showed us some important locations along the way, and of course the spots where famous movie scenes and songs were shot. One such spot was the Strawberry Valley. During summers, this place is supposed to be filled with strawberries. Of course, now it's the winter, so the whole place is engulfed in a thick layer of snow. Kahin bhi dekho, baraf hi baraf. Not that I'm complaining, I never knew playing in snow can be so much fun.
कैसा लग रहा है? This is my best friend. Amazing. It just feels so amazing. इतना cold है. My face is all red.
Yeah, she's become Kashmiri today.
It is so amazing. और काफी snowfall हो चुका है. So it's like there is Sahil throwing snow at me. So right now we have taken a pit stop. They have brought us to the market, and पीछे it's completely white because पूरा बर्फ हो चुका है, and snowfall is quite heavy. They have this chai, and then where you can get these winter clothes, woolen hand gloves, socks and jackets and shoes. So I'm just getting some gloves and everything for myself, and my friends are also getting few things for themselves. What I liked the best was that ATV राइड में जो पीपल है they are also very friendly. The ones who drive and take you around, they are very friendly, they are very helpful as well, and they even let us drive the ATV for a bit जहाँ पे उनको लगा कि we will be able to manage the simple roads में, and it was an amazing experience. And those people जिनके through हमने ATV ride किया है, I'm going to leave their name and number in the description box. You can directly contact them. I highly recommend them. They are very good people. You will be taken care of, and the people here are so warm. I cannot tell you enough how amazing it is. I was really skeptical कि लोग कैसे होंगे, but then they are very, very, very good.
After the ATV ride, we requested the riders to drop us to the Khyber, the very famous Khyber in Gulmarg. It is one of the most popular resorts in Gulmarg, and we just thought we'll have our lunch over there and experience the resort.
बाहर बहुत ठंडी है, as you can see. This is how it's looking outside. बहुत सुना है खैबर के बारे में. Have some really good garam lunch and we'll just chill over here. It's very, very, very cold. I'll show you around how this place is.
The buffet costed us $18.50 plus taxes per person. The food at Khyber was pretty average. कुछ dishes अच्छे थे and some of them not so great. But no regrets because the view and ambience kind of made up for it. Since we were seated just next to the window, we had an amazing view of the snowfall. And oh my god, it was pretty surreal. After the lunch, we decided to walk back. Walking on that freshly fallen snow was just so refreshing. An experience जो मेरे लिए first time था and an unforgettable one.
Today we are planning to do the snow activities. तो अभी हम लोग सब ready हो गए हैं and we are going to Gondola, and from there we are going by cable ride to the phase 1 or phase 2 depending on the weather conditions, and I'm going to take you guys along.
After that day of heavy snowfall, the next day roads, trees, mountains, houses, everything was snow covered. And the sun peeking through kind of made everything look so golden. We had hired a guide which saved us quite a bit of time as he had already taken the tickets for us for the gondola ride, and we didn't really have to search for our way. I got snow boots on rent from there for just $200 and we headed for the famous gondola ride we have been so looking forward to.
So this is actually the phase 1. यहाँ पे सारे snow activities होते हैं. For phase 2, you have to take a cable car. It is further from here, which they will take us after the snow activities are done. यहाँ पे skiing है, sledging, and they have snowmobile. Now let's go and see कि क्या किसको क्या करना है. We have not really decided, but the view from here is amazing. I'm sure कि phase 2 से और भी अच्छा लगेगा because it's obviously higher. कल काफ़ी snow गिरा था, so उसकी वजह से the layer of snow is quite deep. My shoe is actually going inside the snow, but it's really nice because धूप भी है, snow भी है, so the temperature is pretty much okay that way. But the view is just breathtaking.
Each activity costs anywhere between 1500 to 2000 per person. And of course, this entirely depends on the season and the time at which you're going. After spending some time at skiing, we had our lunch at the food stalls there and decided to go for the snowmobile. In snowmobiling, there are 3 levels: K1, K2, K3, each level being higher and more scenic. No points for guessing, we decided to go all the way till K3. Mind you, by this time our faces were frozen, our fingers were numb, but nothing mattered because the view, oh my god, beyond breathtaking. Meditative. That's what it felt like up on those mountains. Breathing the purest air and the calmness I felt over there, something I'll never forget. Next day, on our way to Pahalgam, we took a little detour to visit the frozen waterfall located in a small village called Drang in Tanmarg. The water flows from glaciers and forms icicles, a very unique sight. Also, it's the first time I saw 2 rainbows made in the waterfall.
So that was Gulmarg. Gulmarg is a very small, sweet place, but you will instantly fall in love with the place. That's how beautiful it is. I was a little skeptical कि snow में, winter में कैसा लगेगा, but it is so beautiful. It is definitely worth a visit. I hope through this video you have got enough information about the place and about everything that you can do in Gulmarg. If in case there is anything else that you would like to know, please let me know in the comment section and I will try answering them. And I will see you in my next video. If you did enjoy today's video, then please do not forget to give this a big fat thumbs up. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye.